Hey lovelies, welcome back to the channel. If today is your first time of stopping by, you are highly welcome. On this channel, expect to see hair tutorial for kids and beauty DIYs. So in today's video, we are going to be making a facial treatment that can help you get rid of blackheads and also tighten your skin, okay? And to do that, all you need is get one egg, break the egg, and separate the egg yolk from the egg white. That is, you put the egg white into a plate because that's what we need for this facial treatment. This facial treatment can help you tighten your skin. It can also help you get rid of acne and get rid of blackheads. Okay, guys? So once that is done, you beat the egg white until it forms a foamy-like texture. And to do that, I think using a fork will be better for us to do that. So I'll use my fork and beat the egg white until it forms a foamy-like texture. Once that is done, then we'll move over to the next stage, which is how you can use this to get rid of blackheads and tighten your skin. So now I'm done beating the egg. We'll move over to how you can apply this. So here I am, and I have my egg white with me here. So now guys, I'll show you guys how you can use this. Here I have my brush. You also need brush to do this. I will use the brush and start applying the egg white on my face. Mind you, I already washed my face, okay? You need to wash your face before you start this procedure. So after washing my face now, I'm using brush to apply the egg white all over my face. So once that is done, the next thing you need here is get a tissue paper or serviette paper. I'll be using serviette. So you cut it into the sizes that can fit into your face, okay? Because you don't want to cover your eyes or your nose with it, all right? So I'll place this one on my cheek. Once that is done, I'll go ahead and use the brush to apply egg white on it so as to make it to stay firm on my face. So after this, I will get another serviette and place it on the other side of my cheek. Then I will do the same thing. I will use the brush to apply egg white on it so as to make it stay firm on my face. So now I'm done applying it on my face. I will leave it to dry, okay? Oh my goodness, look at it's drying up now and I'm feeling this tightening on my face. My face is shrinking. Yes guys, oh my goodness. My face is shrinking and I can't even talk properly. Now this is when you start feeling the face tightening. As it dries up, your face keeps on shrinking, thereby making your face to tighten up. Oh my goodness. This is so hard. It's so difficult for me to talk right now. So I think we can now go ahead and take it off because it's already dried up. Did you see? Oh my goodness. So as you pull it out, if you have any blackheads on your face, it will help to pull out those blackheads. As you're pulling it out, if you have blackheads on your face, it will pull out the blackheads, guys. Ooh. I am feeling this tingling sensation on my face right now. Oh guys, my face feels so soft right now. Wow. So now I'm done taking it out. The next thing to do is that I'll go ahead and wash my face. I'll be right back. Now I am back. Oh guys, I feel this refreshment on my face. Wow. So now I'll go ahead and apply my face moisturizer, and after that I am done, guys. Please don't fail to subscribe to my YouTube channel, okay, and give this video a thumbs up if you like it, okay guys. I will see you all in my next video. Bye.